Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust YouTube Shorts volume. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the process between the web app and the mobile app change or is different. Basically in the mobile app, you want to be able to do what you need just to adjust the voice or the volume of your phone so you can adjust the volume of the shorts that you are watching. But in the web app or in your browser, you will be able just to do it by changing the volume from the volume menu or volume option. So here I'm just going to the shorts and basically we have this shorts here, and all you need to do now is just to go to the volume part and you will be able to start adjusting volume. So here we have display and here we can see the volume. So basically this one changes the volume of uh, the shorts, and you can simply also mute it and mute it, etc. And as well as you can have some other modification for your shorts, like adding the caption, the ambient mode, so you can have a more uh, lighted. As you can see, the lighting will start uh, changing for these shorts, etc. And of course, the other stuff that you can do, like entering to full screen, or you can start liking, disliking your videos, etc. So simply, those are the steps that you can take so you can change the volume of any shorts here in the browser. Thank you for watching and see you next time.